AI logos suck. At least, that's what we've all come to expect. Meanwhile, other AI tools, text, image, video, even voice, are almost indistinguishable from human work. But logo AIs? Still stuck in 2010. Most just combine a random icon, font, and color palette from a library. Technically, a logo, but not one you'd ever use. Definitely not made from scratch. No creativity, no brand story. And the few AIs that do try to start from zero, yeah, they usually look like this. But what if I told you there's now an AI that actually gets design? One that creates original, custom, production-ready logos with clean curves, real structure, and a style that's yours alone. Let me show you. Introducing Logo Diffusion V5, the first AI that actually understands logo design. It doesn't just throw together clip art and call it a day. It analyzes your idea, enhances your prompt, and builds a logo from scratch with correct shapes, clean strokes, balanced spacing, and real design logic. And it works in almost any style: pictorial, mascot, badge, monogram, you name it. Let me walk you through 3 examples so you can see it in action. I'll click the image-to-image workspace and choose pictorial. I type my idea, an eagle head wearing a cowboy hat. Click Enhance Prompt, and it automatically expands and fine-tunes it. I'll tweak the color and mood settings and hit Generate. What you get is a completely original logo, not a remix, not a template. Every curve and element follows real design principles. Clean, usable, vector-ready. Now yes, pictorial is one of the simpler styles, so let's try something harder. Mascots are notoriously complex. You've got detailed characters, layered shapes, consistent stroke weight, tight spacing. Creating these takes serious skill and time. But with Logo Diffusion, I write a prompt, mascot logo of a mohawked kangaroo in mid-punch wearing boxing gloves. Enhance it, fine-tune a few settings, and hit Generate. In seconds, I get a highly detailed, well-composed mascot logo. The anatomy is correct, the layout's clean, and it actually looks designed, not AI generated. Now let's talk about text, one of the hardest things for AI logos to get right. Most AIs either spit out clunky block letters or glitchy, unreadable messes. So I'll pick badge crest, write a more complex idea, sports badge for a baseball team, silverback sluggers, aggressive silverback gorilla gripping a baseball bat, enhance the prompt, and hit Generate. Look at that. Every result has correctly placed text integrated into the design, not slapped on top. It's cohesive, unique, production ready, and yes, you get fully editable vector files for every result. Clean paths, grouped shapes, no jagged edges, no garbage. That's the future of AI logo design. For years, it's been nearly impossible to create something unique, usable, and truly yours using AI. Logo Diffusion finally changes that. Try it yourself at logodiffusion.com and let us know what you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.